In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove payment method on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up our App Store app and then tap right here at our profile picture. After that, we need to tap right here at the very top at our name. And then we'll be taken to account settings where we can easily find manage payments. If we get in here, it will show us all our payment methods associated with our Apple ID account. Here I got just PayPal. You may have several methods here. And then to remove one from here, we just need to get into it and then tap at remove payment method. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.